British Airways, let me explain something to you now. Yes, when you travel for 9 hours, especially as a Jamaican, you see them food that not gonna work here. All of some man here, I don't even know if it cook or sprinkle a black pepper on it. You need to have some ackee and saltfish on the plane, some nice ackee and saltfish and some dumpling and banana. You don't know me love my belly bad already. Then all this now. This can fool somebody belly? No, British Airways not have to do better. No man.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. No, unstoppable, so now we are trained.
People, what go on? You know someone can agree with Spice when she say, yo, on the plane they need to give you some better food. Cause me myself wonder about that sometime, you know. More time on the plane, I say, yo, what is them I give it? After all this money me spend, you mean if you tell me say you can't give me some nice boiled soft green banana and some nice boiled dumpling with some ackee and saltfish beside that. Come on man, me spend all kind of money we don't know. But anyway people, that is not the topic of the video. We only show it in there so you can see the Spice that talk about. See? But the real topic of the video for everybody who loves Spice. Come and know say, no, some will love Spice. I don't notice me say some, right? Cause some who not hate her, some who not like her. But just if all of the one them who love Spice, that means that who not love everything when Spice do with her pitney them and everything Spice pitney them. No. So in that video right now, Spice children have something them want to say and them come out and say it. See? So I have the video and I'm gonna make you see it. But you see before we get to that, you know we have some people who like to fake on IG, fake on social media, act like everything good. Well, Octane come out and Octane say something about that. More want to listen what Octane have to say and talk to me in the comment section about it. Me so forward.
Meditation corner. Listen up people. When we are gonna stop the acting. Yo, listen. Somehow we are going through the darkest days of our life, like the darkest days them. It's a no joke, a reality me attack. And we still act like everything alright. We still tell people so we're good. You know much people call today or talk to people today. I say, what go on? Everything alright? Yes, me good. Yo, you're not good. You can't pay the school fee, the youth them now go back to school. Your relationship not good, your kids them not good, your life not good. Nothing no wrong if you say you're not alright. See? Listen, we're not always talk about people. People not sorry for people not remorse to certain things. Oh, me if you have remorse to you, if every time I talk to you, you say you're good. Oh, me if you help you with bills, if every time I say, what go on, you say you're good. Everything you say you're good. I know, so it's, when you create, so when you kill yourself, me surprised because you tell me, say, everything good. Anytime we converse, everything good. A lot of people out there, stop live for the gram. If you're not alright, you're just not alright. Nothing wrong with it. 7 times right, 7 times false. If you not have it, you just not have it. People call it, yeah man, me have it man. And then you go to your way to get it. And you not sort out your one. You not sort out yourself, but you try to sort out people. Listen, you're not alright. And them thing that put people in a depression. And them thing that put you in a stress, make you live above your means. Your bills are exceed your income. Because you act like you're alright. Yo, listen, you're not alright. Everything can good in your life. Everything can on-grid. Something of your off-grid. That's the balance of life. See, stop act. See, stop act. That's why the Almighty make your eye with eye water at night. Water. So you can bawl and shed tears. If you don't want to do it in the public, do it behind closed door. Release yourself, alleviate yourself from stress. Stop act like everything good. And then when you look, the bank come take back your car. Them take back your house. See, yeah, they have flash, Rolex, this. Them take back everything. Then, oh yeah, tell people say you're alright and you're this. Stop act. Some of you girls stop act like you don't have it lock. You don't have it lock. See? Stop act like you not the best thing. Some of you out there stop act. See? Live. You live. Don't live for the moment. Live your live. Stop act. See? Yo, that's why we fall in depression. That's why you see people suicidal rate up. That's why you see a bag of thing go on. Me can't sorry for you. Me no gene in the back when you rub me. Me no kazoo me, you just pop out. And me can say, alright then, at this. Me can't know. If you not say it, me not gonna know. Saying, and nobody tell me read between the lines. Saying, not talking on the parables. If you not have it, you just not have it. If you're not alright, you're just not alright. A son now, me gonna know say you're not alright and try if you solve the problem. But if everything alright and then me hear say you just do this big fuck up thing to yourself, me surprised too. Me I got surprised. See? Stop act. See? All of the actors them out there. Life is not a movie. Live.
Yeah, me there again. Me not gonna say too much about what Octane says still. Me I gonna make Uno talk to me in the comment section and tell me if you not agree with Octane or not. You see what me I say? Because me personally not gonna say nothing much about that. But moving on to the real reason why you're there I watch the video. Cause me know say the whole I know I hear about Spice. So me I gonna move to that right now. Let's check it out and see what Nicola Ty and Nicholas had to say to their mother.
No man, me a drive and everything, but I have to video this, cause this have to record. I'm having a conversation with my kids in the car, so we're there, you know, and it's like a fight for who me I gonna live with when me get older. Cause me I talk to them and I tell them, say, listen, all this work when me I do for Una, me I tell them what them have so far, and I tell them, so you see when me get older, Una have to take care of me, Una have to work hard, and Una have to give me this and Una have to give me that. Nicholas say, me have to live with him, and my daughter say, me have to live with she. So who do I live with? Come here talk about when me retire, when me I gonna do and when me I gonna live and Nicholas say me have to live with. Why me have to live with you?
Car. You are gonna get a Lamborghini. You are gonna have big mansion on the hillside. With a pool, jacuzzi. And if you want 2 cars, you will get a Bugatti with that too.
You hear that? Talk up Nicholas Toy.
So, you're going to have a car, and the name of the car is going to be a Ferrari, and you're going to have a big mansion, and you're going to have a comfortable room, and you're going to have a good life. I'm going to buy you anything you want. I'm going to give you your fruits, I'm going to give you food, and a lot of stuff, and I'm going to give you money.
Look like a Nicholas time, I forgot to live with Nicholas. I'm having a hard time to pick who I'm gonna live with, okay? Cause my son I got hard, my daughter I got hard, so who do I live with? Who am I gonna live with? But let me tell you something, I'm gonna be a miserable all over. And you see the same way like I don't want this and go up on internet and Google this and Google that and tell me so I don't want this, I want that, Nicholas. I saw when me own me, I gonna say, Nicholas, buy this for me. Me want this tomorrow. Especially you, Ty. Every day me I gonna send you something after the internet and say, Nicholas, I want this tomorrow. I'm having a good conversation with my kids driving in Jamaica. Life is amazing. I'm already planning my future. Who am I going to live with? Who am I going to live with?
Me.
I'm going to live with both of you guys. 1 week with one week with the other. But me telling you something, I'm going to go no problem. I bet so you not going to want me live with you when we get older. Stick a bet. What you say?
I don't care how miserable you are, I still want you to live with me.
Now, me I go say this. For all of the people them, all of the naysayer them who always a talk about, oh, she not spend enough time with her pitney them. She always a left them yes so. She always gone there so. Honestly, say Spice spend time with her pitney them every opportunity she get. Yeah. And there is nothing like a mother or a father being able to have a conversation with them children, you know. Yes, a intelligent conversation. So me like how Spice and the youth them did a talk a while ago. Yes, what I say, I like how them love her to the max, that them all a look out for her in the future. Yes, what I say, yo, yeah, me live with me now, mommy. No, yeah, live with me, mommy. Me I go take care of you. Me I go make sure say you get everything where you want. But Spice make sure say them I get everything where them want right now. So them not have to worry about down the line. Them are gonna know say them set for life as long as Spice alive. Them set. So Spice herself not have to worry about nothing. Yes, what I say. Watch out, people. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. If you don't notice, me never tell you to subscribe to the channel yet. So before me left, me I go beg on you. Please hit that notification bell here. Yes, what I say. And the no, I lie. Hit the subscribe button here and the notification bell. So once we drop a video, you will get an alert or a notification say, yo, Unstoppable TV Live are in post a video. Also, more want to remind you about the live channel. Make sure if you click the link down in the description and go over there, go subscribe to the live channel. So once we go live at night time, 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, you get the notification so you can join the show. Watch out, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. I'm gone, you know.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.